Good morning, children. Now this is your Hindi Vyanjan obvious book, and today we learn this Vyanjan jha. Okay, and I will teach you how to write this jha. Okay, and when you write this jha, you can say like this: standing line, crop, crop, circle, standing line, स्लीपिंग लाइन जहाँ से झरना के स्टैंडिंग लाइन क्रॉप क्रॉप सर्कल स्टैंडिंग लाइन स्लीपिंग लाइन जहाँ से झरना स्टैंडिंग लाइन क्रॉप क्रॉप सर्कल स्टैंडिंग लाइन स्लीपिंग लाइन जहाँ से झरना स्टैंडिंग लाइन क्रॉप क्रॉप सर्कल स्टैंडिंग लाइन स्लीपिंग लाइन जहाँ से झरना. Okay, and I hope you can understand how to write this jha, and you can do yourself, and you can do this activity also. Okay, here is written like this: भारत का झंडा बनाकर उसमें रंग भरो. Okay, I hope you make a beautiful flag and you can put the color nicely. Okay, and today we do this page also. Okay, Vyanjan gya. Okay, and how to write this gya I will teach you. Crop up. Okay, crop up sleeping line. Okay, crop up sleeping line standing line yeah. Okay, crop up standing line sleeping line yeah khali. Okay, and again I will teach you. Crop up sleeping line standing line sleeping line yeah khali. Okay, crop up standing line sleeping line yeah. Crop up standing line sleeping line yeah. Okay, crop up sleeping line standing line sleeping line yeah. Okay, and I hope you do yourself and you can do nicely. Okay, and you can do this 2 page. Okay, this page number 28 and this is page number 29. Okay, and you can do nicely. Thank you.